Hello, my name is Darren Johnston, Technical Specialist for Hubbell Power Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to properly adjust a bear trap style transmission switch. The TS2, or bear trap, was introduced in August of 2016 and is the most recent product in our line of transmission switches. Start by mounting the blade and jaw on top of the insulators. Adjust the jaw so the blade tips are centered. This can be accomplished by using the bolts on the underside of the jaw. The blade lock should be centered and not make contact with the latch on the jaw. The rocker arm on the blade will be centered on the ramp when the blade is coming into the jaw. After all three phases are adjusted and the switch is installed on a pole, install the vertical operating pipe and pierce the top phase pipe lever. This lever will hold the vertical operating pipe until the switch and operator is adjusted. The other pipe levers will stay loose until adjustment is made. All vertical operating pipe couplings can be pierced. After each phase has been adjusted and the vertical operating pipe installed, we will set the reach rod placement. Open each phase to about 30 degrees. Set bearing levers parallel with the vertical operating pipe levers. This will ensure a proper open and close position. The most important part of adjusting any transmission switch is properly setting the blade timing. This will ensure the switch will close properly. With the operator loose at the bottom, you can close the switch manually by pulling on the reach pipe. Close the switch so the top phase is against the bumper of the jaw. Moving on to the middle phase, loosen the clevis on the pivot bearing and move the blade 1/2 inch off the bumper. Inspect that this has been completed, tighten the bearing clevis, and move on to the bottom phase. On the bottom phase, loosen the clevis on the bearing lever. The blade will be 1 inch off the bumper. Inspect that this has been completed and tighten the bearing clevis. After the blade timing has been set, tighten the operator to the vertical operating pipe. Open the switch to check placement. The blades will appear staggered. Have the operator close the switch and check that all blade position indicators are showing red. Operate the switch a few more times to ensure proper adjustment, then pierce all reach pipe clevises and operator. For any questions about this or any other products, please contact our customer service department.